Here's a solution for you if you struggle with those tiny little lines that happen around your eyes. This is the Bare Eyes and Lips device. It's a tiny microcurrent device that is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles in 7 days. There's a little eyes and lips serum that you can purchase to use in those areas where you need the microcurrent to work its magic. The most travel-friendly hack is that once you've applied your serum to your skin, you can pop it back in your device for safekeeping. Microcurrent is going to assist with elasticity on the skin and plump up those areas that might have experienced some sagging. Turn on your beautiful bare eyes and lips and pick the desired microcurrent intensity that you like. There are 5 levels of microcurrent, but let's just start on 1 for now. This was just enough microcurrent for me, and as I get used to using the bare eyes and lips, I'll be able to increase my microcurrent as my treatments proceed. You want to use this baby every single night for just 2 minutes to be able to see results within 7, 15 and 30 days. It's super easy to use and it's quite strong, but it will never zap you. It's got an anti-shock technology that will adjust to your skin sensitivity in 0.002 seconds. After you complete your bare eyes and lips treatment, which only takes 2 minutes, apply your eye cream and your lash serum and you're ready for the day.